Hi folks, hope you're having a good day. This giant seed right here is an avocado seed. It's from the Florida avocado, the large one. Not the Hass avocado, which is really small, but you see how big the seed is. That's the center of the avocado. All I've done is placed a toothpick into each side and set it into a cup of water. Now we're about to go take a look at what happens when the avocado seed drops its taproot and then you plant it and let it grow for a couple of years. Let's go have a look. Alright, now both of these trees were germinated early on in 2019, somewhere around January, I believe. But then they were planted into the ground in March of 2019. Now here we are in September 2021, and you can see just over 2 years old, and this is what one of them looks like and the other looks like. Now this one's slightly different than the other one. This one is more green, whereas this one kind of has a reddish hue to the leaves when they first come out. One thing I will note about these is when they were little tiny saplings and I had just planted them, number one, they were sensitive to the heat in the summer, and number two, they were very sensitive to the wind. So I created some wind blocks to basically cut the wind and make the wind move around them until they were strong enough to be able to handle the wind without any problems. Once again, this is the Florida avocado, and I'm going to be providing progress reports on these avocado trees in the years to come, so stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.